Embark on a journey into the essence of Earth's natural wonders, the wetlands. These complex ecosystems, from marshes to peatlands, transcend simple water bodies, embodying biodiversity's cradle and the unsung heroes of ecological balance. Wetlands are stages for life's drama, where each droplet of water narrates stories of survival and interdependence. Discover diverse wetlands worldwide, revealing their aesthetic tranquility and crucial roles in purifying water, hosting myriad species, and mitigating climate change. Every wetland stands as a unique ode to nature's majesty and resilience. Join us in exploring their enchanting worlds as we unveil the indispensable value they hold for our planet and our continued existence. Nestled within Earth's varied landscapes, wetlands are sanctuaries of life and keystones of ecological stability. These habitats, Earth's kidneys, are pivotal in filtering pollutants and sustaining our water's health. Teeming with life, from amphibians to birds and fish, wetlands are biodiversity hotspots that maintain ecological balance. Their environmental contributions extend beyond immediate surroundings, buffering natural disasters, sequestering carbon, and regulating climate, showcasing a natural remedy to global challenges. The synergy between water, land, and life underscores their significance and the urgent need to preserve these ecosystems. As we delve into the threats they face, understand why safeguarding them transcends environmental responsibility. It's a necessity for our future. Wetlands are not just landscapes, they are the lifelines of our planet. Despite their serene appearance, they confront severe threats from human encroachment and climate change. Yet, there is hope. Global conservation efforts shine a light on the path toward revival, illustrating that through dedication and collective action, positive change is attainable. This journey leads us to a crucial call to action. Your involvement is pivotal. By engaging in conservation, advocating for sustainable policies, or spreading awareness, you join a critical movement for protection. Embrace this call. Safeguard our wetlands. It's a commitment to our planet's future, an act of preservation for tomorrow's legacy. The time to act is now.